Welcome back to my vlog. My name is Tom. I'm going to do a small unboxing for this week's video. This is from Snacknation. So it's at, I got it for very cheap to see what it was, how good the quality of the food is. And the top of the box. Let's get right to it. That's what it looks like. Here's that. Gives you 20% off favorite snacks and all that. Yeah, that's what we got. We got kosher beef stick, pepper smoke flavored. We got Health Warrior Chia Bar, acai berry flavored. It's a Rowdy Bar, peanutty dark chocolate, featuring yacon root prebiotics, whatever that is. A small bag of popcorn, sea salt, gluten-free, whole grain, air popped. It looks interesting. Next we got this little cheddar cheese thing from Appleways. Haven't heard any of these brands. And last but not least, we got Harvest Snap lentil bean tomato basil flavored lentil bean crisps. Interesting. Let's see. I think I'm gonna try the chia bar for right now. See how it tastes. So here we go. That's what it looks like. To me, it almost looks like the, I don't know if you ever heard of it, but power bars. But nowhere near as hard breaks. It's fairly easy. Not bad at all. Pretty good. I might have to start doing these more often. They say it's supposed to be healthy for you, so it's good. All in all, I give it 4 out of 5 stars. The box and all that. Well, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for next week for my next vlog. Hope you all have a wonderful day, night, wherever it is you're from. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell for notification. Thank you, and have a good evening.